Welcome everyone, Dr. Mandell here. Those puffy eyes, dark circles, fine lines underneath our eyes is something that we become very self-conscious about. It's something that we want to get rid of very fast. Billions of dollars are being spent on these fancy creams and lotions who are making claims that our bags, our puffy eyes, our dark circles are going to go away. So today I want to share 2 ingredients that you should have at home to remove those puffy dark circles under your eyes. It's inexpensive and even more powerful than what you're going to buy in the store. Many of you may love coffee. But regular coffee contains caffeine. It helps protect the cells against UV radiation and slows down the process of photoaging of the skin. It reduces early wrinkles. It also will tighten the skin, smooth puffiness, and fight free radicals. So this is instantaneously going to help reduce those puffy eyes, take away those dark circles, and help reduce those fine wrinkles. And what about those eggs? The magic in the egg is the egg white. It's an astringent that acts to tighten, tone, and reduce puffiness under the eyes. The egg white also reduces inflammation and helps improve circulation. So let me share these simple instructions to make this simple mask so you can get these results right away. You're going to need 1 egg white, 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds. Unused grounds are best because they contain the most caffeine, but used grounds are fine if the coffee has just been made. Combine the egg white and coffee in a small bowl. Mix together until frothy for about a minute. With clean hands or a brush, apply the mask around and under the eyes. Let the mask dry for about 10 minutes. You're going to feel your skin starting to tighten up. You'll probably feel a little bit of tingling as well, which is increased blood supply. So after the 10 minutes, take a wet washcloth and wipe off everything on your face. It's a wise idea to use a good moisturizer underneath those eyes when you take off that mask. I like extra virgin coconut oil. It has great medicinal healing properties. So start using this mask daily and you will start to see great results within a short period of time. Please share this video with your friends and family. Leave your comments below, and most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell.